Inclusive language is a practice. In fact, many of the forms of diversity, equity, and inclusion work and allyship work is a practice. It is progress over perfection. And as we bumble and stumble, as we often do, oftentimes it's the words we choose to use that may feel unintentionally exclusionary to others, especially marginalized groups or folks that are underrepresented inside organizations. So in this workshop, what we teach folks is what are some of the things that we want to say? What are some of the things we don't want to say that's outdated language? Things like idioms, war references, sports analogies are all too common in today's workplace. It can signal to others that aren't a part of the majority group or culture or ethnicity or gender identity that they somehow don't belong just by the words we choose to use. Some might feel that this is nitpicky. Why do we have to watch what we're saying so closely? But what we should be asking is if we're unintentionally creating harm for someone that we want to feel welcomed in our workplace, what can we do as allies to bring them into the conversation? How can I shift my language to show that I want to be a helpful ally? And so what words do we say? What words do we not say? Why inclusive language is important. And then most importantly, how to develop this into our everyday vocabulary using proven strategies and tools that can help you live inclusively. Because inclusive language inclusion doesn't stop in the workplace. It enters all spheres of our life. So by practicing this, we welcome more diversity into the spaces that we are. We hope that you'll learn more at nextpivotpoint.com.